Hi everybody, this is Roxy, and I am sharing my collection of recipe boxes and vintage recipe cards. Thought it'd be just something fun to do. I am gearing up to do some ephemera packs, like for journaling and cookbooks or recipe books. So I was kind of trying to organize everything before I start making those up. Okay, so this box is obviously from the 70s. I'm going to guess on most of them. I love it. And I just put labels. However, I've got a shelf, like a little kind of an old utility bookshelf kind of thing that I put these on. So they either face this way or face this way. So depending on that, I put the label wherever I need it. So this one's 70s, so I put cards that are from the 70s. And I've been collecting these for ever. So I'll just show you what the cards are. But it's not too dark. This one's one of those that fold open. Look how sweet. But you can recreate these to a point. At least like that. You can do a cute little border of flowers. I'll be doing that in the index card series. How cute. These are actually, when I moved out of the house when I was 21, my mom gave me a kitchen set with a set of, like this came with note cards, a tablet, and cards. She gave me when I was moved out of the house. When I was all grown up. So I love it. A funny thing, about 2 months ago, a friend of mine that I used to work with, like 40 years ago or 35 years ago, posted, I gotta put my mic on, sorry, posted a photo of a banana bread recipe, I think it was banana bread, with this card, and it was all calligraphed, and then my name Roxy, and she goes, I forgot, I used to do calligraphy, and I found this, blah, 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 and then tagged me, and I said, Nita, that's actually my card that I wrote for you, and she goes, oh no, I did calligraphy. I'm like, yeah, but, I remember doing it, and obviously it's my card. So it's kind of funny. So here's this one. I've got this one and then the same thing in white. So they came in two different colors. These are just some of my buttons, like with the really cool labels. Someday I'm going to try to get these scanned in for graphics. Look at that. That's cool. This is very Art Deco. So cool. Cool. This is another thing you can recreate. I've got a stamp set. From a long time ago. I'll have to pull that out. I can't remember. Yeah, I don't remember the brand. But you can make a button card. So I'll pull that out. Here's that. Cute. And then that's like probably 1920s or even earlier. I bet it's like 1910s. So that's cool. More Art Deco. So that'd be like 30s. That's 1910s. Very cool stuff. A lot of cool. Okay, I better keep these in order. So now here's this one. These are all the Michaels cards. I just bought up what I could. I left some in the store of this line. I just loved it. And they were like, they clearanced them out at 50 cents a pack. So I bought, I went to different stores, so I'd leave some in the store. But I just loved this. I think they're all the same now. So there's that. And good old plaid. I'm guessing this would be the 50s. Because that was like the hottest camping plaid. You know, get on the road and drive era. So here are these. These are really cute. And most of them are from Current. There is another name brand they didn't have a lot, but most are Current. Here's that. Really pretty artwork. These are just something I got at Michael's. I don't know why it's there. Yeah. Happy Kitchen. That was the other company. Okay. And then this is Current. How cute are those? And this is awesome. These came with their own cards, but I put those in a different box. I don't know which one it is. But anyways, they just came up with probably like 20 cards with index tabs. Yeah, here they are. Oh yeah, this is all brand stuff. So that's what came with it. And then you could buy more to add to it. And then I've got all these old, super old Kellogg's, you know, from the General Mills. This Washburn, these are probably 1900, because they changed the Washburn Crosby name not long after that. It became gold medal. So those are cool. Ton of those. And then just some miscellaneous stuff I found in old recipe boxes. Like a lot of these I bought at garage sales over the years, thrift store. And they'd have some recipes. You can't find them now. I swear, every time the last few years I've gone to a garage sale, I usually go on Saturdays, Fridays or Saturdays. I asked, do you have any recipe boxes? Maybe with some, you know, written recipes. Oh, we sold them yesterday. It's like, oh, really? I don't know if they're just telling me that. I'm getting all mixed up here. There. That's done. Then we've got this one. Isn't that cute? This, I would say, is 50s/60s with the kind of artwork they have. Really don't have. Oh, here's the little tag, lifetime lab tested sterling. And these are, oh, just kind of food, produce, and I think it's fruit. Oh, it's just kitchen stuff. Kitchen, like pots and whatnot. Cute. Another one. Yeah, these cards are 70s. For sure. And they're all Current. The company Current. That's a nice coffee. For a little coffee book. I think this was really popular. This one. So you could find these every day on eBay. Alright, now how did I do that? There, nope. There. Because that's all this one. That's all that kind. Cute. That's 70s. Love it. Here's another one that... Okay. Oh, and these, a lot of them came with the plastic sleeves too, which was kind of nice. And here's this one. Did I do that one? Yeah, produce. These are really awesome. I would say 70s / early 80s. Same with that last, the brown pot with the wheat. That's probably late 70s, early 80s. Because 70s used a lot of brown, but so did 80s. 80s got into that real primitive look. Come on. And a lot of I'm making up ephemera packs. As saying, this is cute. That's another brand was Here's What's Cooking. But I'm making ephemera packs so you can make like recipe books or whatever, cooking journals, canning journals, and you'll get, and they'll have a lot of these cards. That's 80s to 90s. I love this one. Definitely 80s. Okay. Then these are this, I dare put this on here. These are really going to be hard to come by. I've seen them for $126 and up dollars, and mine was obviously I got it a long time ago. But we lost a beautiful, pretty maiden, so that's kind of sad now. So this is all handwritten. That's a cute card. Recipes I've found in different sales and boxes and whatnot. So that's what that is. There'll be some of those in the ephemera packs. I love this. I do this myself. It's fun. So then this is from the 80s. I bought this because it had some of the handwritten ones in it and index cards. But these are just old and new blank cards. That's from Stylecraft. Leave those out. These are from Walmart. These are just some old vintage index cards I have. Nice and kind of yellowed. Different colors. This comes with this one. It was a 3-ring binder with these and these cards. It's called the Recipe Collector from 20th Century Plastics. So there's a bunch of those, and then finally those. And this box was my auntie's, and I helped her with her garage sale when she was moving out of her house, so she let me take a few things. Not her recipes. I said, you know what, your daughters want your recipes as much as I wanted them, but I'm glad I got this. And here's all the index tabs that I've accumulated. These are 70s for sure. And then some with tabs or words on the tabs. And then just some kind of different old, Smeed ones. Okay, now my last 3, actually I have another box upstairs, but it's just an old wooden one. I'll just show a picture of it. But anyways, yesterday at a vintage sale, I found a really awesome handmade wooden box that is like 2 recipe boxes put together. So I emptied out my sweet and savory boxes so I can use these for storing cards or whatever. I thought I'd show them. They're really well worn, this one especially. But I love it, it's so cute. Was used when I got it, and I used it some more. But it's just cute little flowers. A cute design to, it's kind of Scandinavian. A lot of that around these parts. This one is so cute. All these little chefs that have their recipes locked up. cute little images. And then a little chef sleeping right next to a coffee pot. Drink some coffee, dude. Wake up. Isn't that cute? So tired he fell asleep. That's all my collection. I hope you enjoyed it. Oh, I forgot this one. This is lusterware, they called it, which was after Bakelite, before they called it plastic. But I love this. I've had this forever. Yeah, it's lusterware. So that's a really cute one. That's my index card series organization box. All right, so thanks for watching, and subscribe if you haven't. Leave a comment, and I'll see you later. Bye.